the Diary of Jane Doe, and I wanted to come on and do a review of Simple Start Cloth diaper kits. Any of you who know my story know that we were surprised this year and found ourselves needing diapers again, and I'd given away all my diapers, so I needed to start over again. And I had come across Simple Start Cloth diaper kits on Facebook, and I ordered I ordered one of their starter kits, and it came with 20 diapers and 45 inserts, 20 microfiber and 25 hemp inserts. It came with 3 packs of wipes, 4 wet bags, a wash routine card that you can stick to your washing machine. It's laminated, it's waterproof. And then like a little booklet that had just like what laundry detergents are good to use on diapers are safe, the solution you pour over your wipes, troubleshooting, contact information. I had contacted them before I purchased, and she said that I could message her via the chat feature if I was having problems with my diapers, and if I was having I was kind of struggling to get started, but I had cloth diapered before, so it wasn't really new. But they are really awesome. I've got them laid out, as you can see. They're an Alva baby diaper, but they've got that extra hemp insert, which makes all the difference. It really makes them hold up well. They last, the absorbency lasts a long time, and I like that. The wipes are good. There's a couple of different kinds of wipes that came in my kit, which actually was nice, because I think if I was starting out from the beginning, it would be great to say, oh, I like these wipes and I don't like these wipes. Although I like all of them. I do. There was Gerber, there was Buttons, and there was Oh So Cozy. And I mean, for me, where I live, the only thing that I can get local is the Gerber wipes, which was great to be able to try them and say, hey, these are good wipes. And I could just pop into Walmart if I needed more wipes. But everything that came in my kit has worked really well, and I've really enjoyed it. I would highly recommend checking them out. I'm going to link in the description box to the Facebook page. She's a gem. I haven't contacted her, but I might see if she would sponsor like a giveaway, or if you'd be interested in a giveaway from Simple Start and like a coupon code, put a message down below for me, eh? That would be really awesome. Maybe we could arrange that. But yeah, they're Alva diapers, and they come with extra inserts, and we haven't had any problems with them. They've worked really well. For the price. Oh, the price is $250, and you get everything. I looked it up, and that's like getting, like, Bum Genius diapers are like 20 something a piece, so you're basically getting 10 diapers for free, or maybe like 8 diapers for free. Anyway, you're getting a lot of diapers for the price, and you're getting all of the wipes, and you're getting all of the wet bags, and if you're new, you're getting like the service. You're getting that, like, she'll hold your hand through the first couple of weeks of cloth diapering. She had messaged me just to see how I was liking the diapers and if I had any questions, and I had already cloth diapered, so I didn't really have any questions. I knew what I was doing, but if I was starting out, that'd be a really nice feature from my cloth diaper company. Yeah, so comment below if you want me to contact them to see if they'll do a giveaway or a coupon code. But yeah, I definitely recommend them. She's so sweet. The Facebook page is kind of just bland, so look past that, because she's just a mom and she ships out of her house and she's just a doll. But anyway, yeah, so I've left the diapers out so that you guys can see them. And yeah, so any questions, let me know. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.